Hello folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches, Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. And they will help you build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, each of these coaches are internet marketers in their and very successful in their own right. And I believe this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to alleviate stress with meditation. Now, this is a complimentary PLR package with this program, or with this product. It includes a over 2,500 word ebook in both PDF and Word format with an e-cover. There's 23 minutes of video, a powerful PowerPoint slide deck, and a PLR license. And now the package includes the history as well as strategies for meditation. So pick this one up too. Now, bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make your online business successful. Bonus number 3 is a highly prized product that shows you how to be a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. The fourth bonus will show you how to create a passive income. And this is the crucial point, folks. It's not an ordinary passive income. It is recurring passive income. And you can do it with ease. And the fifth bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to make $186 in a day in just 3 easy steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. You also receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now let's look at this review. The vendor of the Power of Stillness, Sean and Callie Lee, and they've done it again. They are 2 very prolific creators and vendors in the fields of personal development and self-help niches. And they have over 30,000 sales just on Warrior Plus alone. And the Power of Stillness, I'm sure, will be a hit among your audience. Now, in a nutshell, the Power of Stillness teaches you how to slow down in a non-stop world so that you can speed up your success. It really is a blueprint for those who want to harness their transformative power in our fast-paced world. Here's some things you should know about the product. It is completely up to date with information on how to slow down to achieve more. It has 10 powerful chapters with over 10,000 words, written by very proficient writers. It is a full PLR, so that you get the PLR rights, along with editable docs and PDF formats, so you can freely edit the book however you wish to customize the content to your personal taste. And there are stunning chapter graphics, as I'll show you later, and hopefully they'll keep you spellbound, and you will like the information even for yourself, even though you want to purchase it for others. And now the modules look like this. The first module is, or the front end, what you receive is a premium quality ebook, a complete checklist, a comprehensive mind map, converting sales page, a video sales letter, a lead magnet, professional landing page, follow-up email swipes, graphics, and license certificates. And you also receive 3 fast action bonuses. So it's important that you get into this program right at the beginning. And those bonuses include a PLR powerhouse, a sales funnel hack, and another unannounced business or bonus. Now, there's lots of stuff to learn within this self-help course. For instance, it's important to stay relevant in a rapidly changed world. You learn the scientific basis behind the benefits of stillness for the mind and the body. How constant busyness and negativity affects our creative juices and our productivity. It will show you how to influence or provide the influence of stillness in achieving success and the importance of that. It'll show you practical strategies for incorporating stillness into your everyday routine, the long-term effects for maintaining a slowing down process, and real-life outcomes and achievements resulting from embracing the stillness. And there is much more, as you'll find on the sales page. Each chapter includes these graphics as an example. The significance of relevance of the fast-paced world. Chapter 2, the science behind stillness, the impact of constant busyness on creativity and productivity, practical ways to integrate stillness into daily life, common obstacles to embracing stillness. So you can see the graphics are quite picturesque. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. The front end is from $13.95 to $19.95, depending on when you jump into this product. And I would suggest you get it earlier so that you can get it cheaper. Then there are 4 OTOs. The first OTO for $47 is really an expansion of the front end product and quite valuable. The second OTO provides a special PLR bundle package, which includes 4 of the best-selling PLR packages in one special offer. Of course, that's by Sean and Kelly. All the PLR packages, they come with a full front-end product and pro upgrades. And you'll also understand that the OTO 3 varies from $77 to $147, depending on what you decide to purchase. And it is really a done-for-you sales funnel system. And the last OTO varies from $27 to $197. Now, my understanding is that the $27 is a monthly membership fee, whereas the $197 is an annual fee. So there you get into the Abundance Print VIP membership process. And if you get in early, the access to you will get your early access to our to Callie's and Sean's latest PLR products, and you'll get those every month. Now, if you need to know more, you make sure you click on that link below and get the full results. And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. Now, I highly recommend that you do that because there are many people who are now receiving a monthly income because of they have taken action on this particular program. My 5 bonuses, they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain reoccurring income easily, how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And they'll show you how to alleviate stress with meditation, which is a complimentary PLR package for this product. Thank you for listening and watching, folks. See you next time. Bye for now.